Hi, I'm Frank Fontana, and welcome to the world of DuraChill. 3.5 years in the making, DuraChill is more than a machine. It's a reflection of today's most powerful engineering and dedication to quality and innovation, and you're about to find out. First, we have to set up your unit, so let's get started. Here are a few things you're going to need. A 15/16 inch wrench or socket, a pipe thread sealant like plumber's tape, fittings to attach the 1/2 inch female NPT inlet and outlet ports on the back of DuraChill, a wrench that fits the fittings you plan to use, hoses to run your application, one hose for fluid inlet and one hose for fluid outlet, the power cord that was included with the chiller, fluid that's suitable to the temperature and application you'll be cooling. That's it. If you haven't taken the unit out of the box, this might be a great time to watch our unboxing video. It's not very long and it will show you how to take the unit out of the packing safely and efficiently. If you have your unit unboxed, let's jump right in. One of the very first things you want to do is look on the back of the unit for the drain port on the lower left-hand side. We ship our chillers with these plugs tight, but you do want to hand check the fitting to make sure it's completely tight. If it's loose, a few turns clockwise will tighten the drain port and prevent any unwanted spilling as you fill your reservoir. Also located on the back of the unit are the fluid inlet and outlet that will connect to your application. They both have plugs in them to protect them during shipping. This is where you'll need your 15/16 inch wrench or socket to remove the plugs. You can try to loosen them with your hands, but the wrench is the easiest way. Now you'll need to apply plumber's tape or similar thread sealant to your threads for your fittings. Then insert the 1/2 inch NPT male end of your fittings into the inlet and outlet and tighten them with an appropriately sized wrench. Be careful not to over tighten the fittings. Once the fittings are on, you can connect the chiller's outlet to the inlet on your application and the chiller inlet to your application's outlet using the minimum length appropriately sized hose for your application. If possible, insulate the hoses to optimize chiller efficiency and prevent heat gain into the fluid and drips from condensation. Next, take the power cord out of the plastic bag and install it into the male power inlet port on the back of the unit. Once that's secure, you can safely plug in your DuraChill. From that mode, you can directly access the settings menu to customize your settings, but before we get to that, you should notice that the liquid level indicator on the full color touch screen display is red, meaning that the unit has no liquid in the tank. So let's change that. You can fill your unit with a 50-50 mix of distilled water and lab-grade ethylene glycol or another temperature-safe fluid that meets the needs of your application. Do not use deionized water, automotive antifreeze, or tap water. Automotive antifreeze and tap water can add unwanted chemicals or impurities that can eventually affect the flow and performance of the DuraChill unit. DuraChill holds up to 4 liters of fluid, and you'll need to allow for additional fluid to fill the fluid lines and your application. For easier filling, insert a funnel into the front fill reservoir. Obviously, you want to take your time to avoid spills. First step, remove the cap on the front fill reservoir by turning it counterclockwise. Once it's off, place it on top of the unit for safekeeping. As you fill your DuraChill, you will see that the liquid level indicator will change colors from red to blue, indicating that the unit is full and safe to operate. Now that the fluid is in, replace the cap and this time turn it clockwise until you hear a click, indicating that it's secure. One more quick step and the DuraChill is ready to go. We need to prime the pump for a few seconds to make sure the fluid is flowing smoothly to the application. To do that, all you need to do is turn the unit on for about 3 seconds and turn the unit off for another 3 seconds. Repeat the sequence 2 more times. Once you've primed the pump, the chiller is ready to go. Here's a quick tip. Once you start DuraChill, the fluid will start to pump through your application, which typically starts out without the fluid in it. This will cause the liquid level in the chiller to drop, so make sure you have additional fluid available to top off the unit and keep everything running smoothly. Now you can start your new DuraChill portable recirculating chiller by simply pressing the power button. It's time to set up your unit by utilizing the full color touch screen display to adjust the settings to meet your specific needs. There are many different options, from selecting one of 5 operating languages to adjusting the set point and so much more. For a full explanation of all the options, check out your owner's manual. For convenience, the settings menu can be accessed both while the unit is running or while the unit is in standby mode. Right when you turn the unit on, it will ask you to set your default language. As I mentioned, there's 5 to choose from. It's as simple as selecting the language you want to use by touching the option on the screen and then touching the checkbox in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. To modify your set point temperature, press the Set button on the home screen. Enter your desired set point and hit the checkbox to confirm. That's it, your temperature is set. If you want to change the operating temperature units from Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, press the Settings button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select temperature units from the menu, select desired temperature unit, then press the checkbox and you're done. It's really that easy. One more, this one is cool. Our self-changing air filter can change itself for up to 2 years at 30-day preset interval, but you can adjust that interval based on your application demands. If you want to modify the amount of time between the filter change, press the Settings button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Air Filter. Next, select the unit of time you want the filter to be changed. As we mentioned, it's preset to 30 days, but you can choose between every 60 days or as long as every 15 days. Once you select the auto change duration, press the checkmark on the bottom right of the screen to confirm your changes. You now set the automatic self-changing filter. I could do this all day. As I mentioned, there are so many customizable options to choose from based on your needs, your operating language, and on and on. The good thing is DuraChill is ready to control your process cooling demands and deliver reliable, repeatable results you can count on day after day. If you want to learn more about the benefits of DuraChill, check out the other videos in this series, and again, welcome to the world of DuraChill. The world of chillers will never be the same, and you're about to find out why.